What's up, everybody? Done for the day. Today was orientation and issued all our stuff, which is cool. A lot of cool stuff to start off with. Will not be able to film during classes because we have to have put our phones up and not have them in the welding area. So I'll do my best to get what I can out to y'all to see what I'm doing and all that. So throw us a little raspy, but yeah, that's that. A lot of cool gear. I don't know, it's exciting. Just got an email to see if I can get the extra help to pay for the next extra 7 weeks so I can do the full 18-week course. That I will find out on December 10th. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. I don't know, whatever. That I will keep you guys updated next month. Other than that, it's just tomorrow and Wednesday I have OSHA class to get my OSHA 10 card, and sorry, tired, was up all sleep, kept waking up during the night, but that should be fun. Yeah, tomorrow's I have to have a 10-hour class for OSHA, so I'll keep you all updated. Stay weird, stay squatchy.